I think my Supercoupe was getting a little bit jealous. Remember, when you're cold, they're cold. So let them inside. We lost the power steering cap. Hey guys, welcome back to the Power Shift Factory. The leaves are starting to fall and it's getting chilly outside. And everything's slowing down, just like the starter here in my Supercoupe. Unfortunately, just like my starter, we've been a little bit slow at the Power Shift Factory this summer. With our day jobs and family life, we haven't gotten to get all the videos out that we wanted to do. If you're one of our subscribers, we really thank you for your support. We may not have gotten all the videos we wanted out this summer. We haven't been sitting idle around here. We got my dad's shop fixed up, and if you don't know what happened there, I'll put a link somewhere up here, and you can check it out. We've also got our website online at powershiftfactory.com, where you can pick up our MN12 chassis rear diff mounts. We've got several of these boxed up, ready to go. And any of our future products, like our custom big brake bracket, so you can do a DIY brake kit yourself on the cheap. Coming soon to powershiftfactory.com. Check it out. Well, I picked up a new starter for the Supercoupe at the local auto parts store, so let's get this thing jacked up and see if that fixes our problem. It's important that you get your battery disconnected before you mess around with your starter. You know, unless you want to weld a wrench to your engine block. Now, working on everything else on the Supercoupe is a total pain, but surprisingly, it's pretty easy to work on underneath. All the starter bolts are accessible. Heck, even the starter wiring's accessible. Tons of room from the bottom. A stock engine, sometimes you even have to change the spark plugs from down here. That is not so fun though. Definitely not the funnest spark plug job. Now here's something you always want to check whenever you get replacement parts these days. They just aren't the same. They try and make a generic part that fits everything and not maybe the specific model. In this case, I got a spade connector here on my starter, and the replacement starter just has a wire. And what's great is it says here, do not remove this lead, crimp and heat shrink to the existing lead. Because some of this stuff can be a real pain to do underneath the car. Alright, let's get this wiring modified here. I don't really like doing this, but it's just what we're going to have to do. Now, if you're in a pinch, or maybe just being a little bit lazy like me, you can just use something like a torch. Do this heat shrink. Real quick, easy. Just be careful not to overdo it. Well, there you have it. That is much better. That old starter was really weak when it was hot, and I'm pretty sure I completely killed that old starter trying to get that footage that you guys saw at the beginning of this video. I know a video about a starter isn't that glamorous, but the reality is that's what it's like daily driving a 30-year-old car. You come out to it, sometimes it doesn't want to start up. Something's breaking. And in this case, it was easy. Starter's no big deal on this car. Although there might maybe be another gremlin in the mix. When I was cranking it before, I'd see the tach bounce erratically, and usually that means DIS module, camshaft sensor, crankshaft sensor. I used to have a brand new crankshaft sensor in the car, but I lost my serpentine belt a couple months back, and it took out that brand new sensor. So we're running the old sensor, and hopefully it holds out. Otherwise, maybe I'll be stranded. Hit that subscribe button and find out. Thanks for watching.